I'm here for about half an hour now, and I saw quite a few birds, hearing a lot as well. Right now, I'm actually looking at a Jamaican vulture. That's what we call jonker in Jamaica, and a branch up top. So I'm gonna get some footage of it. I'm not gonna try to get any closer than where I am right now because I don't want it to fly. So I'm gonna stay right here and see what I can capture. And it will be the first time I actually get in on the vulture and film, so very excited. Very lovely bird, guys, very lovely bird. Most people don't really see the interest in them, but they are birds as well, and they do play a role in the ecosystem. Yeah, so you have to appreciate them as well. And as I said, I'm not going to try to get any closer. I'm just gonna satisfy with this wide shot of it. Maybe sometime in the future I will come a little closer to it, but I'm just gonna stick to this wider because I know if I make a step any closer, problem is gonna fly. So while I was walking up the road a little bit, the first vulture flew away, but never saw that was, never knew that it was two of them. I managed to capture a footage of the next one, but I have to overexpose the footage because he was dead on to the white sky. I move up a little bit further and I found out why the vultures are hanging around. A dead pig down by the gully side. Seems like somebody threw it down there maybe this morning to yesterday because I can't even smell it as yet. A lot of vultures all around. I didn't come to really focus on vulture. But what I should do, I should seize the opportunity and grab some lovely shot of them. One is right over my head here. But behind some tree limbs and branches. There's two of them. And a branch right here. And a tree limb. Just staring at me. What I did is I lowered the tripod so I can come on and meet the branch that's in the way. So I can get a better shot. One just flew. One is still there though. loads of dead carcass lying around. I guarantee you, I would not get this close to these birds. But I did saw quite a few birds today. Saw more than I captured, but I did capture a few. I saw a bird that we call banana katy. Don't remember the next name for that bird, but when I reach home I'll look it up. And I saw a Jamaican white throat chust or Chapman chick and some flycatchers nesting, building a nest. Just find a new nest site and starting to carry strand and look brushes for it. And I reach nowhere on this hike as it just started. It's early, just 3:20. So I'm gonna spend the next 2 hours in the bush, just hike up the road some more and see what I can capture. I don't want to kill all the time on the vultures. And I did saw a cuckoo. We Jamaican we call them whole man birds. Other people call them other name in other parishes. But didn't get to capture it because it was in the dark bushes. So I didn't get a clean shot. Hopefully I can see one more, so I'm gonna head up the trail a little bit and then find a next level location and relax again. Stop at this lovely shaded area. Very cool here. Saw another bird. It's a ground dove. I'm gonna find out the next name for these birds soon as I reach home. But we call this one ground dove. Very beautiful bird. It's a ground feeding bird, always on the ground. That's where it get the name from, ground dove. I'm gonna walk up the chill a little more. But I'm resting off a little first. Checking some of the footage that I got. Having a little room temperature water. The atmosphere is just right. Sun is kinda harsh though, but it is okay. Just getting right now. And at this time of year, most birds start to lay already, and some are starting to prepare for nesting. So it's a great time of year to do bird. Very great time. Coming April, a lot of birds will be in the midst of their nesting, and some will be hatching, some will be just making nests. So good time of year to do bird watching, guys. So I reach at a crossroad now. It's a T right here. I'm coming from that way, road gone that way, and the next road gone that way. So I decide this is the end of the hike for me. I'm about 4 miles from where I'm from in St. Mary now. I'm way up in the mountains. So, and it's getting very late now. It's after 5 and you can see the sun going down back there. It's gonna be a long walk back down the main road. So, and I end the hike right here. And I've been here before, at the same here out here, with my dad, by myself, with my friends. Sometimes we come to look like yams, wild yams, coconuts. And my father always visit a friend that used to have a farm down that side, and but he died a long time ago. Come to look like sticks to build like fall cooks and those things, and plant yam, all different type of things. The woods that lots of farming take place. But as you guys can hear, only birds and wind, it's far up in the woods. So I'm gonna call the hike a stop for today, and tomorrow I'm gonna pay some fiddler crabs a visit in St. Ann tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video as well. And I do saw quite a few birds. I saw the Jamaican vulture, I saw the white throat chust, I saw the banana caties, and I saw a couple flycatchers as well, and I saw a small species of wobbler. When I reach home, I find out the name of that wobbler. Very difficult bird to film, very small as well. So quite a few birds. Nice here to do hikes. Coming back soon one of the day. And guys, if you do enjoy these videos, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell. And if you're interested in these bird watching hikes, you guys can always hit me up by email in the video description. I'd like to have some company to do this type of hiking. Just start this channel, and I wanted to reach a little further, because I always do bird photography but never like share it with anyone else. Just decided I'm doing that now, so it's very nice if I could get some company that's well interested in these type of things. Because if you're not interested in bird watching or animal videography, yeah, it's very expensive to get the gears, the right gears to use. You have to love it. So if anyone interested, can always hit me up. Just looking at a partridge down there in the road. I'm gonna let it walk, maybe one day I'll capture it though. So guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video right now, so if anything, catch me tomorrow then, okay?